Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Today I am going to show you a timetable which I have developed in Microsoft Excel. I am going to provide its link in the description section so you can download the file and use it. So here it is. We have three portion of this worksheet. The first sheet is central, the second one is teacher wise, and the third is class wise. So if I write the teacher's name here, for example, like Mr. David, and then I press this button, it will create the timetable for Mr. David. If I write another teacher name like Miss Emily and press this button, it will create the timetable for Miss Emily. You can make the timetable for each of your staff members or teachers this way. Same is the case with class wise timetable. You just have to write the class name, for example like 10th, and press this button. It will create the timetable for this class. If I write 9th and press this button, it will create the timetable for 9th class. Okay, so this is teacher wise and this is class wise timetable. Now let's go to the central timetable. Here if you press this button, it will show you some instructions. Please follow the instructions, otherwise it may not work properly. And if you want to clear the old data, just press this button. And are you sure? Yes, it will delete. No, it will not delete this. And if you are working on this day, like you are working to enter the data for Monday, just press this button. If you are working on Tuesday, press this button. If you are working on Wednesday, press this button. Okay, if you press these buttons while you are working, it will keep checking the data for clashes and all other errors. Okay, for example, let me write some course. It is physics, and by Mr. David. It is not acceptable because Mr. David is already engaged from 8 to 8:40 a.m. with class 10th, so you cannot engage Mr. David elsewhere. Okay, once again let's see. Mr. David, no, this is not possible, clash found. So you must assign this class to someone else. Mr. Simon. Okay, now class is 8th. Okay, because if I assign the class 10th, it will say that clash found again, so you cannot make any mistake. And room, like room 3 and room 2 are busy at the moment. I cannot use any of these rooms. If I write room 2, it will give me error again, so I must write some other room. Okay, so this room has been assigned, and now you can see that this way there is no possibility that the person who is making this timetable would make any kind of errors, okay, throughout the timetable. So this is like the first one is for Monday, and the second for Tuesday, second portion, then Wednesday, and then Thursday, then Friday. Okay, so you can see this is the whole timetable. All you have to do is just fill all these cells, and don't forget to press the button with the date tag while you are working. Okay, like if you press this button, then it will help you to avoid any kind of errors. So once you finished working in this central timetable, then go to teacher wise timetable and write the teacher name and press button. This will create the timetable for this teacher, specific teacher. And same is the case with this class 6th. I think we don't have any class 6th right now, so I just have written 10th and 9th class. So you see it's working alright. So I will try to make some more changes to make it even more easier for you. So hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.